Welcome back, guys. Hope you're watching this video. For many of you guys, it's been a pleasure. Great year so far. A lot of great investment opportunities. Now, sole purpose this video basically asking you guys what you guys think of AMTD. Um, you guys think it's investment that you should risk? And if so, let me know. If you guys have never heard of the company before, company have gone tenfold, up more than 1,000% yesterday, but we saw a huge drop off in the aftermarket. Saw a rebound in the pre-market, but then it came back down in intraday market. So it's very volatile. Now, if you're not aware of the company, again, the company is an investment holding company, engages in investment banking activities in Hong Kong, in United States, in mainland China, and internationally. The company primarily operates through asset management, investment banking, and of course, strategic investments. Similar to, very similar to the video I did this week. If you guys were watching Pagaya Technologies, they are a credit rating company as well. So I start to see these fintech companies start to actually make a huge run on the US stock exchange. Now, let me know what you guys think. As usual, guys, if there are opportunities on the market, I will always bring it to you guys, let you guys know. Now, the reason why I'm doing a live stream is because by the time to do on the video editing, that you may be um, too late to see what's going on. So you see right now, it's just around where it closed off the market yesterday at $7 per share. But we saw this morning it was up at $9.30. We saw yesterday it crosses over $12 per share. I am watching it very, very um, strategically. Want to make sure, as I was saying, same compared to Pagaya. We saw Pagaya, if we take a look back in the last month, we saw it goes from $2.42 to $34 per share. So I'm wondering if we will see a similar situation for AMTD. Now, the crisis in China right now, in terms of the Taiwan visit, it's not really making my nerves a little bit um, trustworthy in this company right now, because there's too much that has been going on in terms of the politics side. So I'm very skeptical with this one. If you're trading this stock, make sure you guys are taking big precaution. Want to make sure that you're protecting your capital. As we can see this morning, it was up at $9.30, and we saw it drops in a matter of 45 minutes to $6.20. And we did saw a recovery up at $7.35, but came back down in the low seven. So it's still a good price if you're a day trader that's doing intraday trading. If you take a look right now, you can see how it has been trading for the day. Let's just speed this up here. All right, so this is what we're looking at since 10 o'clock. This is what we're looking at basically. So it's still ready. It's still too early to make a call for it. Again, we saw resistance both yesterday and today in the $6.40, $6.20 range. I've made one trade, not too high in it, in the $6.65 per share, using a stop loss mentally and physically. You know what I mean? Is that I have a stop loss that's set, but I keep modifying it. But in my head, I know, hey, it's not going to, if it crosses down $6.80, I want to sell my shares to protect my capital. Make sure that you guys are using a stop loss if you're trading like any kind of stocks like these. Very, very important. Again, we see it's starting to dip below that $7 per share again at $6.97. So trading, as you see, the the price movement is very volatile in terms of how the stock is reacting to what's going on. But you want to make sure that if you're getting it, try to get it below, I would say below $6.80 per share, or even $6.90. But use a stop loss, please. If you're going into this trade, you want to make sure that you're protecting yourself somehow from the unfortunate to happen. Again, I just want to create a quick video to let you guys know to keep an eye on this one. I would be watching it for the rest of the week to see how it plays out. Again, it's nerve wracking to keep it overnight because anything could change. So yesterday, I went in around around the same thing, 6:45, and we saw it make a small recovery around $8 and I think 58 cents at one point. So I was able to get out right around 8:20 because I did not want to go in market close holding shares. Um, but it's still a good opportunity for anyone that's looking, but at the same time, very, very risky. Use precaution to make sure that you are being protected. Again, I don't normally like to bring stock to you guys that are very risky because again, you'll have to be watching it to make sure that you're not losing out an opportunity when to exit. Right? This is very important. Is that you got to be disciplined of when to exit in these trades. Again, it could play out to be a similar stock um, compared to like Pagaya Tech. We went over Pagaya Tech earlier in I believe yesterday or day before. So we saw how Pagaya Tech, um, how they perform again in the last month. We see you could have made a lot of profits with that stock, but we're hoping to see if this one is going to do the same thing. So again, we've seen it again now in the $6.86 cents per share. So let's see if it holds in that range. Let's see here. Right. So we're seeing there's a lot of selling that's going on right now. So here you can see $6.88. Ox price there at 685. Once my stop price trigger, then probably I'll just go back in if it drops lower. But keep in mind, guys, you got to make sure that you're using stop loss with this one. As I said, price is very, very volatile. You want to make sure that you're protecting your capital because this one could go down at any time. Now, if you watch my video yesterday in terms of AMD stock, see here, AMD, let's go and see. Guys are into, let's see here. System's a little bit slow this morning. So we saw AMD. I made a video when it was trading in the $94 and change in the aftermarket yesterday. I created a video very quickly to let you guys know. If you got in, you could have seen another run above 98 this morning. I told you in the video that we got in in the 92s. We're able to sell above 96 and got back in below 94 per share, and now we're able to make a quick play again. Now I am just building shares in it, right? If I do trading on it, I basically try to buy and sell, and then as soon as I accumulate more shares, then I keep those shares long term. But let's switch back to AMTD again. See, we see it's rising again above $7 per share. So if you guys interested, definitely you can make quick entry and exit if you do it smartly. I don't recommend it, but if you do it smartly, you can always do a quick entry, which is pay to make some profit as you trade along with it. Again, it will be very risky for today. Price movement is very, very volatile. I do not recommend it if you do not have spare cash on hand because the price you can see will fluctuate very, very quickly. There's a lot of people dumping shares. There's people buying shares. Um, I'm still very skeptical to see what's happening, but Again, I don't want to make this video too long. I want to do some trading for the day. So let me know if you guys are buying shares, if you guys are not buying shares, if you guys are staying away from it. It's a wise idea to stay away from it. If you'd like to take the challenge, definitely it's a great challenge. But at the end of the day, guys, money's hard to come by these days. So you want to make sure that you're not taking any unnecessary risk if you don't have to. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know um, how it worked out for you. If you guys did go in, if you got shares, how many shares you got, and then yeah, let's see how it goes for today. Again, if I see any other stock that's starting to break out, I'll just do a quick live video for a few minutes, let you guys know what I think, and if I'm going in, if I'm staying away, and etc. So again, keep an eye, as I said, on AMD, and also, of course, with AMTD for this stock right now. Also, as well, I want to mention something. If you guys have been following my channel, we saw that Endo finally, like Endo finally breakout this morning. Let's see here, ENDP. Endo breakout this morning, breaking that 80 cents per share, then goes to a high of 94. I believe I sent a message to some of the like people that we're communicate with that says, hey, it's crossing, I believe, 68 cents per share. And now we saw it goes to a high as 94 cents. So we were able to get 160% or more on like profit on this one. So if you guys were in that video that were follow along, exciting. Let's celebrate these small wins as they come to us, because hey, you know what? We got to celebrate these small wins. So again, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know. Keep an eye on the market. Keep an eye on Upstart Holdings, Affirms Holdings, all these companies. And what we talk about is breaking out. Keep a eye on Bosch Health. We saw they lost 84% of their shares in the last few days, but then we saw they make a small recovery today. So let's keep an eye on to see where they're going. And also, of course, keep an eye on the cannabis sector. We see a lot of movement in that space. So there's definitely great things to come in August. So again, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace out.